What's going on, y'all? What's going on, y'all? Back at it with another one. So this one right here was an easy cop. For those who don't know, this was such an easy cop. When it came out on release date, this is how I got this. I didn't hit up the resale market at all. I forgot which store I got this from, but we're gonna see in a minute. Once I check the receipt inside, I'll know. But this is the Yeezy 500 High. The colorway, Slate Stone to be exact. So let's get into this right here. I wanna see how this looks. Kanye West, or so we just call him Ye at this point. Ye was spotted wearing these at a dentist office not too long ago. This released October 11th for $220 USD. It's mainly grays, different grays, and a white midsole from what I saw on the internet. Alright, let's rip some of this off, but yeah, shout out to JD Sports for this one. Y'all know that logo. Alright, so it comes with extra laces. Not sure if my eyes playing tricks on me. Is this black or is this like a real dark navy blue? It's kind of tricky. I'm just gonna say black. Oh, okay. This is pretty cool, guys. This is nice if you need a gray pair. This is pretty clean looking. That's what I would call this, a clean colorway right here. Take a look, y'all. Got this rope lace right here on the tags. You could go half a size up from your true to size if you want, but if you want more of a loose fit rather than snug, go an entire size up from your true to size. Bungee cord lacing system here. You don't need to tie your shoes. You can hold this button right here and just tie in or loosen however you need. That's pretty cool, actually. I like this right here. This is pretty nice. Check out the midsole. It's white, I'd say, like white. The very bottom of the midsole is actually a little different from the white that you see on the midsole. Like the very bottom, like the sole itself. The sole itself seems like, what would I call it, vanilla or like cream? Something like that. Not cream, kind of like off-white, vanilla, something like that. You got suede on the upper. This does not contain boost, but this is real comfortable regardless. This contains adiprene. Let's take a look at the insole real quick, worth the light. My thoughts on this shoe, it's real clean looking. I like it, it's real nice. I have a lot of grays in my collection, so this is gonna be a pass for me, but this is a real nice pair. I highly recommend to anybody in need of a gray pair, or a pair that's like, more on the bright side, like a clean looking pair, definitely. And if you get this, do not wear it in the rain, please. Just allow this to get caught by rain just once and you've already damaged the colorway. I'm telling you, it's already happened to my Soft Vision colorway pair in the past. Do not wear these in the rain, just don't do it. Alright, so let's show you that on-feet look, guys. Let's just get to it. Alright, well that's the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Did you already cop? Do you plan on copping via resale market now that you waited long enough? I think these may still be available on certain sites if you look hard enough, but it's like the real small sizes, like size 4, 4.5 at this point. So, you might be out of luck most likely, but I don't think the resale price is that high on the resale market right now, so you might as well get it right now instead of waiting. My thoughts on this, once again, real dope pair, but I'm gonna have to pass. Stay tuned, y'all, because we have more shoes coming up soon. You know how we do over here on the channel, kicks and beats. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace, y'all.